are Brooks Rainbow Drums. The purpose of my sound machine is to make sound. This is the lowest one and it's in red. This is the second lowest and it's in orange. The third is yellow and it's a chalk bin. Green is a yogurt container. Blue is Starbucks cup. And purple is an Indian food bin. The way I came up with the idea was looking in the recycling bin for what materials I could use. There's an oats bin, two Indian food bins, chalk bins, Starbucks cup, and a yogurt container. The way my machine makes sound is by hitting all the different bins. The way you change the volume and by making it louder and softer is by using more or less force. The way you change the pitch is by adding more or less water to the bins to make them higher and lower. This has water in it and it's highest. And this has water in it. Another way you change the pitch is by using bigger and smaller bins. What I liked most about this project was being able to make the sound machine and it actually working.
This is called the Golden Rubber Band, and its purpose is to make sound, and you change the pitch to make it lower by using thicker rubber bands, and you could make it higher by using thinner rubber bands, and you could also make it higher by putting more tension on the rubber bands. And you could change the volume softer by putting soft things inside, such as cotton balls. So then if you pluck it, then if you put it inside, it's kind of like softer. And to make it more loud, then you could kind of like pluck it more. And then the thing I liked best about making this was thinking it up.
So these are called button castanets, and the purpose is to make music. And I use cardboard and 2 pairs of buttons to make them. And the way you make the pitch higher is to tap the one with the smaller buttons together. And to make it lower, I tap the one with the bigger buttons. And I make the volume louder by tapping them harder. And I make the volume softer by tapping them softer. And the best part of this is I didn't need any help from anybody. The name of my sound machine is called the Bongo-Tar. The purpose of my sound machine is to make sound, and it's supposed to be an instrument because it's made out of bongos and a guitar. How you make it lower is to hook the fat rubber bands, and when you do the thick rubber bands, it makes a higher sound. what I most liked about this project was putting on the cup, decorating the cups, and putting the rubber bands over the cups. That was the hardest part of it, and I had to demonstrate it because I messed up at one part, but I just had to continue, and yeah.
How do you change volume?
You pluck different rubber bands. My name of my sound machine is called the Firestone. My purpose of my sound machine is to make music. I came up with my idea because I wanted to learn how to play guitar, but I never actually got to. And I chose the piece of wood for my instrument and cardboard because I knew it would hold it together. And my dad helped me put in nails, and I chose rubber bands because I found a lot of them. I can make sound by plucking the different rubber bands. I can make the machine's volume and pitch. I thought there was 4 rubber bands and 4 types of it. So this one's high, this one's soft, this one's loud, this one's low. And I can make it. This one has the lowest sound because it has the thickest amount on the sides. This one's the loudest because it's a really big rubber band. This one's the softest because it doesn't have a lot of tension. And this one is the highest because it has a lot of tension. My favorite part of making this was everything.
Hey, the name of the sound machine is called the Soundbox. The purpose of the machine is to make music, sorta, and so just make a regular noise. Came up with the idea of looking at videos and seeing what good. This is how you change the volume. You hit the inside with the tin foil. You hit it louder to make a lower sound, and you hit the other side to make a higher sound. To change the pitch is to slide this pencil in between this to make it higher, and this to make it lower. So my favorite part about this machine is I worked hard on it, and I had a lot of support.
The name of this machine is called the flip-flop harp. The purpose of this sound machine is a musical instrument. How to make sound is to pluck the rubber band. And how to change the volume is to pluck the rubber band harder. And how to make it softer is to pluck it more lightly. How to make the pitch the skinniest rubber band, and also can change it with less tension or more tension. You can also move the rubber bands up and down to change the pitch. What I liked about this product is everything.
The name of my machine is called the Band Cup Instrument. The purpose of my machine is to make high-pitched and low-pitched sounds. I came up with my idea by looking in my basement and I found these cups in a wooden block. I cut rubber bands in half to make the rubber bands tighter and looser. You make sound by plucking the strings. You make the sound higher by plucking the bands and by hitting the bands tighter. You hit the bands that are lighter by plucking them harder. My favorite part of the machine is making high-pitched and low-pitched sounds right.